Acting Governor Dan Patrick has added 81 counties to the state's Hurricane Beryl Disaster Declaration. This now brings the total number of Texas counties included in the declaration to 121. Here in East Texas, the northernmost county includes Franklin County, reaching all the way down to Jasper. This includes counties like Smith, Gregg, and Panola, and in deep East Texas, we're seeing counties like Nacogdoches, Angelina, and Trinity, to name a few.